Chapter 4 Finding the Unknown. Example number 1. Find the value of x. 4 times x is equal to 28. Solution. 4 times x is equal to 28. Now first divide both sides by the same number 4. Let's divide it by 4. Then this 4 divided this 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. 28 divided by 4 is 7. X is equal to 7. The value of x is 7. Example 2. Find the value of y. 2 times y plus 6 is equal to 30. Solution. First subtract both sides 6. That is 3 times y plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 30 minus 6. 3 times y plus 0, that is 6 minus 6 is 0, is equal to 24. 3 times y is equal to 24. Now divide both sides by 3. 3 times y is equal to 24. Divided both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times y is y. 24 divided 3 is 8. Example 3. Find the value of x. 4 times x plus 5 is equal to 21. Solution. First collect like terms. That is 4 times x. This 5 will be collected to 21. It will be negative. So that 21 minus 5. It will be 21 minus 5. Then 4 times x is equal to 16. 21 minus 5 is 16. Now divide both sides by 4. 4 times x is equal to 16 divided by 4. 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. 16 divided 4 is 4. Exercise. Solve the following equations. Here there are 7 questions. Try to work the 7 questions in your exercise book. Solutions. A. First divide both sides by 3. That is 3 times x is equal to 12. Let's divide both sides by 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. 12 divided 3 is 4. Therefore, the answer for A is 4. B. First collect like terms. 5 times y is equal to 8 plus 12. 5 times y is equal to 20. Now divide both sides by 5. Y is equal to 4. C. First collect like terms. That is 7 times x is equal to 60 minus 4. 7 times x is equal to 56. Divide both sides by 7. 56 divided 7 is 8. The value of x is 8. D. 2x plus 4 is equal to 30. Here 2x means 2 times x. Therefore 2x is equal to 30 minus 4. To x is equal to 26. Divide both sides by 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. The value of x is 13. 5x is equal to 70 minus 10. That is collecting like terms. 5x is equal to 60. 5x is equal to 60. Divide both sides by 5. Then 60 divided by 5 is 12. The value of x is 12. 6x minus 6 is equal to 54. First, collect like terms. That is 6x is equal to 54 plus 6. 6x is equal to 60. Divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 10. The value of x is 10. G. 12x plus 6 is equal to 150. First, collect like terms. That is 12x is equal to 150 minus 6. 12x is equal to 144. Divide both sides by 12. Then 144 divided by 12 is 12. The value of x is 12.